Hi Leos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Leos, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking few cards, Leos. So, these are for your general energies, guys. This card is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Leos. Today, I'll be picking one card for your moon energies, guys. So, I will leave this card here and one fortune cookie card for y'all, Leos. So, we will see what it is as we proceed into the reading, guys. So, let's start with these cards here, Leos. We have Queen of Earth, Ace of Water, and Tower. Sorry, guys. So, in your circumstances today, Leos, maybe in your work situation or maybe in your relationship, you are someone really dedicated, honest. Whatever choices you make, whatever decisions, maybe something in your work or something in your personal life, you have that dedication. You try to do things the right way and you try to put in all your efforts and concentration. And you are a very practical, grounded person, committed to whatever you do, and you use your resources wisely, guys. Maybe in your finances or whatever opportunities may come, you try to do things using your potential and trying to do things in the right way. And people are aware of your dedication and they really like to help you. So maybe in your work situation, you have good friends trying to help you in your circumstances, guys, Leos. And today in this relationship, you are a very, what to say, trustworthy, loyal person. This person of yours, they love you a lot for that because they feel that they can rely on you no matter what the circumstances are. You are a very good friend, trustworthy, and you have mutual love, respect, and caring for each other, and you are there for them in any situation. You are there as their emotional support. You are there with them in any in times of need, and you are a very helping, kind person who guides them in any situation, in any uh, troubles or whatever difficult times they may see in their life. And today, in your circumstances, in this relationship, guys, things are changing. Maybe there are something happening. It may not be because of you. Maybe circumstances are creating these changes, guys. Maybe the way things are going, you maybe you are thinking of commitment, or maybe this person is thinking of commitment. So some kind of a surprise is coming your way today, Leos. It may be this person coming with a surprise proposal, or it may be you going towards them, or you are thinking of going towards this person. And whatever the circumstances are, you are really confident, cheerful, guys. Maybe for some of you, it may be something negative also. Maybe some sudden change due to change in your workplace. Maybe this person is planning to move to another place or a city, so some sudden changes may come up. But whatever it is, you are really cheerful. Something unexpected is coming, but you need to understand that, Leos, these changes are taking you towards something that is of a greater good for you. Something better may not, maybe you may not realize its worth now, but you will realize the reason for these changes in your future, guys. So these changes are very important for your life, for your future, Leos. So for your relationship, we picked one card, Fortune's Wheel. Looks like destiny, maybe the reason for things going in a particular way. And whatever you have dreamt of, maybe today it may look like something drastic happening, but in reality, it is taking you towards your dreams and goals, whatever plans you have. And you may see some coincidences today. Maybe um, you were planning something and that may happen in this relationship, guys, and your destiny is unfolding is now very beautiful way for y'all, guys. And these changes may simply be like something of a lucky break for you all from your circumstances. Maybe you were a lot stressed, worried. Maybe this change to a different place or a different city is going to help you, going to work in a magical way. Or maybe you are planning to make a trip or planning for a shift to a different place. Something, some changes are coming today for you all, guys, Leos. So for your career circumstances, let's see what is the card. Page of Water. So you feel a lot inspired, happy with the way things are going in your work situation. Things are falling into place. You are feeling cheerful for all those opportunities that are coming towards you, guys. Happy for the way things are going in your career circumstances. And with this card, I can see that you are getting opportunities and good things are coming towards you because of your cheerfulness and because of your dedication today, guys. So for your moon energies, Leos, we picked one card. Waning moon, what do you need to release? So with this card, it just means that in your circumstances today, maybe some situation has peaked for the better or worse, but you need to go easier on yourself. So, what do you need to release? Maybe some emotional baggage that you have, that you are carrying on, and that is going to affect your energy, that is going to affect your peace. So, you need to give that up, guys. Be really positive. This is a very positive card, guys. It's asking you to be positive, and maybe you have done what you need to do till now. So you have tried really hard, and maybe when things are not shaping up just like you had hoped for, it is time for you to let go, guys, and move on with your life. And very soon you are going to see what lies ahead for you, some brighter future. So that is the energy with this card, guys, for your moon energies. So let's see what is the fortune cookie for y'all today, Leos. Surprise! A disappointment will be followed by a pleasant surprise. An invitation could bring love to those searching. Such a positive card here. So even with the previous cards, we saw that you are going to get a lucky break in your situation. So something positive is coming towards you, guys, to cheer you up, Leos. So that is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching, guys. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.